DIY decorations, a fun guide to personalized crafting. Hello everyone! Today, we're diving into the world of DIY decorations. Whether you're a seasoned crafter or a beginner, this video will help you understand what DIY decorations are and how you can create them. Get ready to unleash your creativity. DIY stands for do-it-yourself, a phrase that encourages people to create, build, or repair things on their own, without the direct aid of experts or professionals. In the context of decorations, DIY means making decorative items by yourself, often with materials you might already have at home. There are many reasons to love DIY decorations. They allow for personal expression, can be cost-effective, and are a great way to recycle materials. Plus, the sense of achievement you get from creating something beautiful with your own hands is unbeatable. Starting your DIY project can be as simple as gathering materials like paper, glue, scissors, and paint. The key is to use your imagination and creativity. Think about the theme, colors, and where you'll display your decoration. Let's explore some easy ideas to get you started. How about making paper garlands, mason jar lanterns, or hand-painted cushion covers? These projects are perfect for beginners and can add a unique touch to your space. Here are some tips to ensure your DIY project is a success. Plan your design before you start. Be patient. Some projects might take longer than expected. Don't be afraid to make mistakes. It's all part of the learning process. Have fun and let your creativity flow. We hope this video inspires you to start your own DIY decoration project. Remember, DIY is all about making something unique that reflects your style and personality. Happy crafting, and see you in the next video.